My name is Lucas Rolo. I am the plant manager at the Quanex facility in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And I have been at Quanex for about 1.5 years, since September of 2020. I had a series of manufacturing jobs. Pretty much every job I've had in my life has been in manufacturing. But I didn't really consider it a career until I had a mentor identify that I had some problem solving potential, and he got me involved in continuous improvement. And so at that point I started to think that it could be a career instead of a job. What I like most about working at Quanix would definitely be the people. Both the hourly associates here and in St. Cloud, they're really great people. They're hardworking and they're conscientious and they're engaged. I really enjoy that. And also my peer group, the other plant managers are very supportive. We collaborate to solve problems. We help one another when we need it. I think I probably need more help than they do. But the benefits that Quanex offers that I think are most appealing from an employee perspective, I would say the sliding scale for insurance premiums is a good thing. It makes healthcare more accessible for our hourly employees. Also, there is tuition reimbursement. I think is great. Our employees can take advantage of. There are a couple of options there. I think one of them is even covered 100% if you go to a specific location. So that's a great benefit that they offer. Personally, what I value the most for my own self is the stock program. I think that's a great program. You put money in yourself, and then a portion of that is matched by Quanex. I would encourage other people to work for Quanex because I think it has a bright future. I think there are a lot of opportunities to grow, and it's full of great people. What I would encourage people to do is to find something that suits their own natural propensity and their own values. So if those values are being materially productive and working as part of a team and problem solving, and if it's fulfilling to you to look back at the end of the day and see something that you've accomplished, or you as a part of a team accomplished, if that's you, then yes, you should definitely consider manufacturing. What makes Quanex a good place to work is, I believe, the camaraderie. This is something that we hear when we talk to employees a lot as kind of the primary benefit that they feel about working here is the camaraderie they have with their fellow workers and the bonds that they form. That, you know, those bonds oftentimes go beyond the bounds of the plant. So that's definitely something we hear from them, and it's something that I feel as well.